Well, the Swan 350 is coming back together. I think I lost a spacer for the bottom screw here. Well, you can't see it now, but anyway. Oh well, I can't find it. I've looked all through the workshop here. Anyway, I've put the first Jackson drive back in, and I've mounted up the Legend here, and looks like it's tracking. Low frequency should have complete closure of the variable capacitor, which it does, and upper frequency should stop reasonably. So at least it's turning again, and that's what it didn't do before, so it stops about there. That's good enough. I think these things have pretty broad tuning capacitors here for netting them in, so I'm going to leave it good at that. Now it's time to put the front panel back on it and see how it goes. Put this guy back on and see if there's any goodness in that. So yeah, this old pile of junk is coming along. It should be quite pretty actually, because all that nicotine and dirt's out of it, so it should be quite a pretty little radio once I get it going. I guess we'll see. Actually, so how does the light come through there? How the hell do you get this thing to go? I'm not sure how it illuminates the scale, but it doesn't look like it does it very well there. I guess it luminesces down through this cover here. I don't know. Anyway, that's as far as I've gotten now. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.